tonight we're going to do some cheeseburgers. We're going to do it eat it barbecue style. And we'll be back in just a minute to show you how to get this done. Okay, here's everything we're going to use in these burgers. We got some bacon, 2 pounds of ground beef, lots of cheese, an egg. Use that. Egg's kind of like a glue when you're cooking. 2 different kinds of salsa. We got salt, pepper, steak seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder. And when it comes time to throw these together, we'll be back and I'll show you how to mix up the hamburgers. Okay, we're going to season these burgers up. I got 2 pounds of ground beef. It's 80-20. Put our egg in there. We're going to put some salt. Remember, this is 2 pounds of burgers, so don't be afraid to pour the seasoning to it within reason. Put the onion and the garlic. The garlic makes everything good. And then some pepper. And some steak seasoning. And once again, what's ground beef? It's ground steak. So we're going to put some of that in there. And then we're going to give it a little bit of kick with some salsa. This is mild salsa just because that's what I like. You can use whatever. If you want hot, use hot. And then we're just going to squish this up. The egg's going to work kind of like a glue. Binder, if you will. Get these all smashed, squished all together. Once that's done, we'll be back to make up the patties. We'll be ready for the grill. Alright, here we go. This is why this is called a cardiac burger, because this is one burger right here. Nah, I'm just messing with you. We're going to split it in half. Hopefully we'll come up with about 6. Just try to get them equal and about the same length. And what we're going to do is just make thirds. Each one of those is going to be a burger. I'm going to go ahead and press these out. And when they're pressed out, we'll come back and show you what we got. Okay, I've got the burgers made up. I've got dimples in them. And this is where we're going to start with the cardiac part of this. We're going to take the fat from the bacon. We're going to brush the top of these. And we're going to take them out and put them on the grill. You know, everything's better with bacon. Everything's better with some bacon fat. Some of this good old grease on there. We ended up, out of 2 pounds of burger, we ended up with 6 burgers. So that's going to be about, I don't know, 1/3 pound burgers. I tried to get them as close as I could to the same size. This really isn't going to go over well, I guess, with the health people, but them health nuts, you got to watch it. Go out and hug trees and eat grass, I think. I don't know what they do. They sure don't look very healthy when you look at them. And you know they ain't happy, because they ain't had any meat. Alright, we're going to take these out, put them on the grill, get one side done, and we'll show you what we're going to do with them after that. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, we're out at the grill. We've got just a little over 400 degrees on the grill. We're going to set these things. I got it set up as an offset, which means we have charcoal only on half of the grill. And I'll lay these on here. Let them start to cook. I can get hold of them. They're pretty big burgers. Let them go. We're going to keep an eye on them. We'll stand here close to them. When I flip them, we'll come back because there's some more things that we're going to do to these. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, here we go. We're going to put some this guacamole salsa on top of these. Cats are killing each other. We'll have them for dinner tomorrow night. This just adds another layer of flavor. Alright. We'll let those go for a few minutes and then we'll add our cheese and we'll be ready to go. Alright, we're putting the cheese on these. And we're going to do four different kinds of cheese. There's some more of that cardiac stuff going on here. There's a heart attack on the bun. And it's going to be yummy. I'm sure you see this at the store with the assorted packs of cheese. This is a good way to use this stuff. What were those four cheeses? You got sharp cheddar, Colby, Havarti, and Gouda, because it's a Gouda. Now there's probably enough heat here that we can just cover this up. Alright, here we are. We had enough heat on the burgers when we brought them in to melt the cheese. Now we're going to make one of these up. Ooh, it's gooey. And you definitely got to have some bacon. Gotta have bacon on your cardiac burger. I like the tomato and some lettuce. We're gonna run this through the garden. And some pickles. And some onions. And the important part. I'm going to take a bite of this thing and see how she tastes. Really good. Yeah, really good. See you next time. I'm about to eat a cheeseburger.